This video will walk you through the important process of selecting and accessing library databases that meet your research needs. We've discussed the differences between Google, Google Scholar, and library databases in other videos. See Boolean Search Basics and Identifying Scholarly Journal Articles. Databases are helpful for research because it's easier to find credible sources in them. They are also subject and discipline specific, so you have an easier time finding scholarly sources on your research topic. Scholarly articles are papers written by experts in a field, published in an academic journal. Scholarly articles are also called academic or peer-reviewed. Peer review refers to a process where the sources are read and edited by other experts to ensure that they are quality. You can find academic articles, newspapers, and book reviews in library databases. To get started searching, head to beloit.edu/library. Scroll down to the gray Options box and select the Databases tab. There are many search options available to you on this screen. You can search for a specific database, filter by database type, or look at a list of databases by subject. Librarians have created lists of databases that are most helpful for specific disciplines. You can pick subjects from the All Subjects drop-down list. When you're doing research, think about the interdisciplinary aspects of your research. For example, if you're looking into how sleep affects college students' grades, your topic falls into different categories. You should search education databases, psychology databases, and even health and society databases. So, you've got to get started somewhere. We'll start with an education database. Each database in the list contains a brief description. Read through the description and pick a database. I'm using ERIC because it covers a wide range of students and topics. It seems like a good place to start. Click on the blue database title to access the database. If you're on campus, you'll be taken directly to the search screen. If you are off campus, you'll be asked to sign in with your Beloit College username and password. Now you're ready to search. For more information and ideas about searching in the databases, check out our Boolean Search Basics video. As always, get in touch with a librarian if you need help with your research by sending an email to libref@beloit.edu or chatting with us on the Ask a Librarian page of the library's website.